Hello everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and in operating system, let us discuss what is mutual exclusion with busy waiting strict alteration method. Okay, so basically what is mutual exclusion is, mutual exclusion is the way of making sure that if one process is executing critical section, other process will be excluded from executing critical section. So it is the responsibility of operating system to assure that no more than one process is in its critical section simultaneously. So the responsibility of operating system is to assure that more than one process is not in the critical section, and mutual exclusion is the way of making sure that not more than one process is simultaneously executing critical section. Okay, so how we can implement that how we can prepare that, or how we can notice that, manage that only one process is in critical section. So the one method is strict alteration. So for strict alteration method, we are taking one variable, which is integer variable. Its name is turn. So the turn is nothing but one type of integer variable. Because we want something like that, if one process is entered in critical section, something is on, and at that time no other process is executing critical section. Whenever that process exit from the critical section, the particular thing will be off, so that other processes will know that process, previous process is not in critical section. Now it's my turn, I can execute in critical section. Okay, so for that type of execution, we are taking one variable turn, which value is initially 0, which keeps track of whose turn it is to enter the critical region and examine or update the shared memory. So initially process 0 inspects turn, find it to be 0 and enter its critical region. So first of all, process 0 check the value of variable turn. Now the value of variable turn is 0. So it entered its critical region. Now process 1 also find it to be 0 and therefore sits in a tight loop continually testing turn to see when it becomes 1. So continuously testing a variable until some value appear is called as busy waiting. So that's why it is a mutual exclusion with busy waiting method, which is strict alteration. That process 1 is continuously waiting for or checking some variable and waiting for that it becomes 1. So it should usually be avoided, this busy waiting, since it wastes CPU time. So this situation is basically avoided because it wastes CPU time. Only when there is a reasonable expectation that the wait will be short is busy waiting used. So whenever we have an expectation that the wait will be very short time duration, then busy waiting can be used. And a lock that uses busy waiting is called a spin lock. So when process 0 leaves the critical region, it sets turn to 1 to allow process 1 to enter its critical region. Now process 1 is waiting, now the value is become 1, so it can enter its critical region. So this is the short type of code for process 0. Now process 0 wants to enter in its critical region. Whenever turn is not equal to 0, it enter in critical region, then it execute critical region. then after it change the value of turn, variable is equal to 1, and it exit from the critical region and it execute another part which is non-critical region. Now what will happen with process 1? So it is while turn, the variable of turn is not equal to 1 until that executing this loop, while loop. Whenever it become 1, it enter into critical region, it execute critical region, and it again change the value of variable turn and it enters into non-critical region. Now, what are the problem with this strict alterations method? So, let us discuss the scenario where two processes P0 and P1 are there. Okay, so process 0 leaves the critical region, it sets turn to 1 to allow process 1 to enter its critical region. This is normal. Now, suppose that process 1 finishes its critical region quickly. It speedily finishes its critical region so that both processes are in their non-critical region with turn set to 0. Now process 0 execute its whole loop quickly, exiting its critical region and setting turn to 1. At this point turn is 1 and both processes are executing in their non-critical region. So actually this thing will not happen. Now again the same situation, process 0 finishes its non-critical region and goes back to the top of its loop. But what will happen that here it is the value of turn is 1 at the end. So what will happen? Unfortunately, it is not permitted to enter its critical region now because the value of turn is 1 and process 1 is busy with its non-critical region. Now none of the processes is executing in the critical section, but process 0 cannot enter or not permitted to enter its critical region because of this variable is set to 1. So it hangs in its while loop until process 1 sets turn to 0. So we can say that taking turns is not a good idea when one of the processes is much slower than the other. So this is the one method which is mutual exclusion with busy waiting, which is strict alteration, how it is implemented and what are the problem with this method. Okay, thank you.